sure you want me to do a Wild West film? Because I can only really do one accent and it's more East End. You just want me to read the card, look pretty and be myself. Oh, all right then. Howdy, I'm Bo, and in this one-horse town you could say I'm the regular calamity Bo. My husband Bear has been horribly murdered and nobody seems to know who did it. The marshal's next to useless, and then there's El Cid. Can you help me, stranger? Just look, listen and take down all the particulars. Not those particulars. Anyway, please can you help me?